Hi guys, you can see this is my motorcycle Thunderbird 350. I have removed my front shockers and I'll try and change the fork oil and the oil seal as well. So as you can see, these are the springs that's inside the shockers. I have already removed the top, what we call it, the cover. Let me show you the cover. This one, cover or lock. I have removed this and I have drained my fork oil as well. This is the tool that I have used. I've seen many of the folks, they have been asking what's the length or what's the dimension of this tool, so I'll try and show you so you can purchase it, and if you wish you can change your fork oil or your oil seal at home. Let me try and show you what's inside. I don't think it's clearly visible. Let me try. That's where the hex key is supposed to go and fit. You see, it feels a bit shorter than the shockers itself. Actually, holding the camera with one hand and doing this with the other is a bit difficult. Putting the fork upside down, and I'm locking it with the oil pump. When you actually put this in, you can see it's fitting perfectly. It's good for the height. This video is not a full repair guide, mind you. This is just a short detailed look at the most mysterious tool you will need, the shocker puller. Let me show you. As you can see, this locks on. If I twist it, the shocker will move too. See? Now I need to turn this upside down, and I'll have to hold this T-rod in one place so that the shocker stops spinning. When I try and remove this Allen bolt, you can see this is the Allen bolt. I'll use my Allen key. I'm using this mechanism to hold my T-rod. I've removed the Allen key, and this is what the oil pump looks like. Wait, let me try and show you the pump in a better way. As you can see, this is kind of a 12 pointed spline. I don't know if I'm right or wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong. So this is the puller rod. Let me show you the dimensions of this T-rod or puller rod, whatever it is called. As you can see, this is almost 22 inches in length, almost 22 inches. Let's check the diameter. 28 mm. Now let's check the side width. It's a hex key actually. So say this is almost 16 mm. Yeah, one side it's 16 mm width. So okay, last but not the least, this is what came out of the dismantled shock absorbers. So this is the oil pump. As you can see, this is almost similar to what Yamaha FZ has, and I think the length of the fork will be same. Maybe the forks are interchangeable. If you can't find a spare one for your Thunderbird, maybe the FZ forks will fit I don't know, I'm just guessing because it's also 41 and the oil pump also looks almost similar. These are all thoroughly cleaned. That's it for now. Thank you guys.